Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I've got a like new 2013 Harley Davidson Street Glide that I want to show you. I didn't see anything on this bike that I needed to point out except that it is just in beautiful, like new condition. The bike's just got a little over 700 miles on it. You can save thousands of dollars by buying a motorcycle like this over a brand new one on the showroom. Comes with a 103 motor, beautiful Street Glide styling, real sleek looking here in the rear end. Everything on it is just excellent. With 700 miles, 707 miles. It's just pristine. Bike runs really good. I mean, the 103 motor is an awesome motor. This one's been upgraded with Reinhardt slip-on mufflers, which really has a nice, deep, throaty sound to it. Lockable hard bags, 6-speed transmission, beautiful black paint with the really cool Street Glide badging. It's got full instrumentation, AM, FM, CD. Radio controls are over here on the left hand grip. It's got electronic cruise control on it. That's over here on the right side. Got a big 6-gallon tank. This is one fine, fun touring machine. We're about 15 minutes from DFW International Airport. If you wanted to fly in and do the deal and make a really cool road trip out of this, we could pick you up, get everything squared away here in-house with our financing, insurance, warranties, the whole 9 yards, and send you happily on your way with this beautiful 2013 Street Glide. Qualifies for our test ride leasing program. Plus we've got some excellent conventional financing terms and options. If you want to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. You can go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. If you didn't want to make a road trip out of it, we sell and ship motorcycles all over the world, so it would be really easy to get this beautiful, like new Street Glide to you, delivered right to your front door. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.